Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, simply swipe down from the top of your screen. Do so once again to extend the list of toggles, and one of those toggles here should be a power saving mode. For me, it is right over here. So you can tap on it to immediately turn it on. And it lowers the brightness just a little bit, as you've probably seen, just to kind of showcase this once more. You can see that the brightness changes just a little bit in terms of like how bright the display actually is. Now you can also tap right here on the text itself, and this will bring up a message letting you know that power saving mode will the background network usage, sync and location checking will be limited. You can also set additional limits to save more power. Now what it refers to is, if I turn that off, select done, if we hold it, this will take us to the options right here. So we have the CPU limit, which is enabled by default, and decrease brightness by 10%. That's also the default one, but we also have the limit apps and home screen. So for maximum power saving, allow only selected apps, limit all background activity, turn off edge panel, and change to dark theme. So we can enable that just so you can see how it looks. But this, if I'm correct, this is like the super extensive power saving mode, as you see on some like phones where it just completely changes how the device looks like. So anyway, let's enable it and see. And yeah, as you can see, it removes wallpaper, and it is pretty extensive. You can add a couple apps right here, but in general, this mode is strictly designed to power save as much power as it can. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.